There is nothing like a plate of soft, smooth amala served with ewedu and perfectly seasoned obeata. Hi my friends, I'm Chioma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will show you every step from preparing the amala to making silky ewedu and a very delicious Nigerian stew that is packed with flavor. Whether you are cooking this for the first time or looking to improve your recipe, this video has you covered. Stay with me to the end for simple tips that will help you get the perfect texture and taste every single time. Now let's get cooking. In a pot on fire, add in palm oil or vegetable oil or you choose to add the both. Then go in with your blended pepper mix. Please use a smooth blended mix for this recipe. Then go in with your onions. Please, if you want extra flavor, please blend your onions to a paste. It's a game changer. After that, stir together and allow to simmer for some minutes. While our stew is cooking, let's proceed to prepare our ewedu. Please note that the way you pluck ugu is different from the way you pluck ewedu. Just pluck your ewedu leaf the way I plucked mine in the video. Now let's check on our stew. Stir together thoroughly. Now this is the time for you to add your seasonings, your salt and any spices you want to add. A good obiata should be flavorful and cooked until the oil rises beautifully. Don't rush your stew. The longer those flavors come together, the better every bite will taste. This aroma filling the kitchen right now. I wish you could smell it through the screen. Now, after stirring thoroughly, this is the right time for you to add any protein of your choice. Tell me in the comments which protein would you pair with this? Goat meat, assorted meat, fish, or beef? And if you enjoy Nigerian recipes and home cooking, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. After adding your protein, stir together thoroughly and cover to cook for some minutes. After some minutes on cover, stir together and voila, our obe ata is ready. This stew now, you can even use it to eat rice and yam. Now let's proceed to make our ewedu. After plucking your ewedu, wash them thoroughly and proceed to blend. Wait, before you come for me. Yes, I want to blend my ewedu. You can choose to do what works best for you. Trust me, if you don't want stress or going through that chopping board and knife way, please blend it. At first, my blender said no, but at last it blended it perfectly well. And if you're struggling to make smooth ewedu, don't skip this part. One simple trick can change everything. Cooking at home doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. In fact, this tastes even better than what you'd buy outside. After blending, transfer to your pot immediately and stir together. Now, this is the time for you to add anything you want to add to it. Your salt, seasonings, anything you want to add. I choose not to because my obeata is well seasoned. Stay for some minutes and our ewedu is ready. There is something so comforting about a well-made plate of amala, ewedu, and obeata. It's more than just food. It's a meal that reminds us of home, family, and good memories. Now let's proceed to make our amala. And if you want that perfect textured amala, please do this. Add water into your pot. Please don't wait until it gets hot. Then add your amala flour little by little. When you add, you stir. When you add, you stir in order to avoid lumps. Yes, it's going to look watery at this point, but just continue stirring. Stir together very well. At the process of you stirring it, it starts to get very thick, and this is when you need all your energy to stir very well. And if you are new here, you're welcome on this channel. Here you will find affordable, delicious recipes, cooking inspiration, and lots of amazing food content. The secret to perfect amala isn't rushing it. A little patience and the right technique make all the difference. My friends, we are almost done, and trust me, this meal is about to come together beautifully. Everything is coming together perfectly. Just wait until you see the final result. You're not done yet. After turning your amala, at this point, you are going to add a little water and allow to cook for like 10 minutes. Now you're going to use your turning stick and scatter the amala. You're going to make hole in the middle because you want your amala cooked evenly. After that, cover and allow to cook. After some minutes, uncover and turn your amala very well. Amala is one of Nigerians' most loved swallowed dishes, especially in the Yoruba culture. It's traditionally made from yam flour and is known for its soft, stretchy texture that pairs perfectly with soups like ewedu and obeata. And one thing I love about amala is how well it absorbs the flavors of the soup. Every bite is packed with taste, making it a favorite in many Nigerian homes. And this is exactly how I make my amala at home. Soft, smooth, and perfect for scooping up every bit of ewedu and stew. Take a look at that texture. This is exactly how amala should be. Soft, stretchy, and perfectly smooth. Now tell me, how do you like to enjoy your amala? And if this recipe is making you hungry already, tap the like button. It really supports my channel. And here we have it, a delicious plate of homemade amala, ewedu and obeata. Thank you for cooking with me today. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with someone who loves Nigerian food. And if I serve you this, will you eat or pass? Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next kitchen adventure.